Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable developer option in your Itel A26. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Itel A26 and you are wondering how to enable developer option. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click on your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here about phone. After click over about phone, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say build number. You have to press here 7 times to turn on developer. You can see now it's saying you are now a developer. Let me find out where is the developer option. Now if you can see, if I go back completely now in the settings section, if I scroll all the way down and if I click here system, I will notice that in system there is a developer option has enabled. So in this way you can easily enable developer option in your Itel A26. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.